Universal fit. Hard anodized. Weight: 43 grams 1.5 ounces. Olicamp aluminum pot lifter with a comfortable and secure grip. Use a pot lifter for secure handling of hot cooking pots. Convenient and packable. Top reviews from the United States. I wish I knew about this sooner. I went on an extreme campout with my son. When we camped, he got the fire started. Needed to boil water in one of those aluminum pots that come with a mess kit. The one with a curved pivoting wire handle. You know what I mean. Well, let me tell you, it was like a scene for Laurel Hardy, or Abbott Costello. Tried to pick it up with the handle and it would tip and spill, practically putting out the fire, plus the fact it was hot. Tried lifting with a rag on the handle, same thing. It was a comedy of errors. I never gave thought there might be an easier way till I went on a wilderness campout with fresh scouts and was demonstrating different fires to make to facilitate cooking. I was demonstrating with same said pot and lamented how hard it was to pick up without spilling the contents when one of the scouts presented this handle. Imagine my embarrassment. So this thing is great. I cannot believe that they do not supply this with the mess kit. That is inexcusable. As a matter of fact, this handle fits nicely in the pot. This handle is indispensable.